Hey everyone, it's Sandra from the Disney Car Toys channel.
And somebody awesome.
And today we are going to learn with Elmo. This is so cute. This is brand new.
Yeah.
Discover the ABCs with Elmo. But wait, you're not going to learn them with just Elmo. We have Cookie, Grover, Ernie,
Big Bird, and Oscar.
and Elmo. And count everybody. Like seriously, everyone is here. And Elmo has a special magnifying glass. And he's going to find all 26 letters hidden on the Sesame Street.
Oh, that's cool.
So cute.
Yeah, all on the house and stuff.
Let's start learning and let's get Elmo out of the box. He's like, get me out, get me out. Okay, Elmo is on the street and he's got his magnifying glass. Let's look at Oscar.
Yeah, he looks more angry.
Oh, he's more angry. Ah, get away, Oscar. He's like,
go away.
And then we got Big Bird.
Like,
he's got no hidden letters.
No
on Big Bird.
Nope.
But it looks like Abby Cadabby has something.
Let's see. Oh, yeah. And the one.
Okay, wait, look. Nothing. The letter A! Wow. We're lucky we found A. So, bing, 1 point.
Yep.
Okay. Oh, Big Bird. Holy cow. Big Bird has a lot going on here. Let's see.
Okay.
What letter can we find?
Oh, B.
Wow. Okay, we're doing good. We're on a roll. A and B.
A and
How
B.
about this? V. And then, N.
N for nest.
Nest. Oh. Yeah, V for Valentine.
Yeah, and B for Big Bird.
And Big Bird.
Yep.
Let's see this. U for umbrella. Uncle.
Yeah.
That's cool. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 so far. Let's see. There's something in here. Oh, look. Is that a little baby bird? That's cute.
Oh, that's cute. You can turn it.
Wait. Oh, I think I see something. Can you tell what letter it is?
Maybe K?
K and K for kite.
Yep.
And kitten.
Oh, yeah, this is a kite next.
Oh, whoa. I just can't. I just thought a kite. That was, seriously, I didn't cheat, I swear. Butterfly.
Oh, another one.
Oh, this has got to be L for ladybug.
Oh, it's got to be, yeah.
Oh,
Let's see.
look.
Yep.
And we'll get it right.
L for
ladybug. And I think that's it because there's K again. But wait.
Cool.
Okay, Elmo, let's see. Anything in the door? No. No. Oh, wait. Oh, here's Ernie. Oh, nope. Nope. Looks like Rosita has something.
Oh, yeah, and the water tower part. Let's see.
R for
R. Oh, yeah, for
and Rosita.
Funny.
Okay, let's see. Oh, count.
Oh.
You'd think he'd have some numbers.
I know, right? And
here's Murray.
Oh, Murray. And
M.
for
Oh,
Murray.
good. Yay, M for Murray.
Cool.
There's Rosita again.
Yeah, and you just spin the top down and it spins around.
Woohoo. That's a really cool water
I
tower.
know.
Okay. Well, Elmo's got to walk some more. Whew. Yeah, we should make Cookie Monster walk and burn off some cookies.
I know, right?
Okay, look. 1, 2, 3, Sesame Street. He's at the right place.
Yeah. Oh, is Oscar in there?
Oh, 2 Oscars. Oh, no. And O for Oscar. I'm sure. What do you want to guess Cookie has?
It has to be C. Like,
Yeah,
it
let's
just
see.
has to be. Oh, yeah.
C is for Cookie. And that's and Cars.
Yeah, and Car.
Oh, E. E
wonder.
for Elmo.
Oh, yeah.
And Ernie.
And Ernie, they both have E.
E in ear.
Oh,
There we
yeah.
go. Okay, well, Elmo's found a lot of letters.
I know,
but
and now we have the whole
Elmo
inside
has
still.
4 letters. Oh, wow, Elmo, you've got a lot of searching to do.
Oh, yeah,
Here we go. Well, maybe Cookie Monster can help.
Yeah.
And maybe Grover can help. They can just be like, high five.
High five,
Oh, wait, look. G for Grover. Yay, high five.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, yeah, Snuffy. Snuffleupagus.
Yep.
He was one of my favorites. Okay, so we have a little iguana. I for iguana.
Perfect.
There's Bert.
Yeah, there's Bert.
Okay, so Snuffy, I wonder if he has S.
I went S. Oh,
S for Snuffy, S for Sandra.
Yep.
And Spidey.
Oh, yeah, S for all of us.
Everybody. Let's see. Oh, look, are these the Tweedlebugs on the back? Look.
Oh,
I
how
love the
cute.
Tweedlebugs. They're so cute. They're like, woohoo, flying. Okay, let's go. And here, look, nothing. I don't think there's anything. Oh, wait. Oh, whoa. That would have been the hardest one to find. Like, you had to lift it from the outside.
Oh.
Looks like a race
A toy
car.
box? Is that T for toys?
Oh, yeah, T for toys. Wow, good job, Spidey. Wow, okay, and then look, these doors open.
Oh, cool.
But there's no letters, right? Right, Elmo?
No
Nothing?
letters.
Okay. Oh, there's a dog.
Oh, we have to go upstairs. Oh, there's a lot in this room.
Oh yeah, tons. Let's see. D.
D for dog.
There we go. P. Oh, for picture.
Oh, for
see, there's
picture,
a family picture.
Oh, cool.
Mommy. Oh, F for fish.
Oh, yeah, fish, goldfish on the table, yeah.
And then, let's see. Oh, Q for quilt. I like how they have everything kind of nearby.
Yeah, so you can know.
Oh, W for window.
Oh,
see, like, because
window.
Cookie is looking out the window.
Oh, and he's in the front here, so you can see him.
Oh.
That's cool.
Oh, Z for, I don't know, Z's. Zebra.
You have a
Some
zebra?
Z's. Okay, Elmo, I think you just have one more room. Couple more letters. Let's see.
Alright, this is like the
Y.
craft room.
Yeah, for yo-yo.
Oh, yo-yo.
X for xylophone. I was just gonna
Xylophone?
say we haven't found the X yet.
I know, right?
Maybe J for jacket. Oh, I got it. J for jacket.
J for jacket. And
And
then
H for hat. Wow, and then ABC is right here.
Cool.
Elmo, you found everything! Yay! Good job, Elmo!
All right, well, now that we've learned our whole alphabet, we are going to learn some counting with our food shop games.
Yeah,
Woo!
Cookie
And
needs to
shopping.
count.
Yeah, he needs
Yes.
to count. So we're going to count these, how many he can eat.
Oh, wow.
He's gonna
I'm
probably
sure
be
he can
sick.
Eat immense.
Like tons. Okay, so here's the donut. Nom, nom, nom. One.
One. Good job, Cookie.
Yep. Jelly bean. Nom, nom, nom. Two.
Good job.
Yep. Dog bone.
Oh, yeah, he'll eat anything. Let's face it.
Three.
Good
And then
job.
little cinnamon.
Where's count? Here should be three.
Oh, yeah. Nom, nom, nom. Four. Five cherries.
Well, he's gonna eat a lot. How many does he have?
A lot.
Cookie, are you full yet?
No. Six. Sweet cinnamon buns. Oh, here's some a little healthier. Peach.
Ooh.
No. Seven. And then 8. Oh, lettuce. This is healthier.
Oh yeah. He was a veggie monster temporarily, I think.
I know, right? 8 and the last one. This is a little sparkly cookie.
Ooh. 9. Holy cow, Cookie Monster. And wait,
He ate
says
9 things.
he says, "Where's my cookies?"
Yeah, where? Oh, whoops, we don't have any cookies.
No cookies.
We
He
need
had a donut.
cookie.
Yeah, we need cookie. Where's cookie? I don't know. Oopsie.
will
Well, the
devour
donut
it.
is good though.
Yeah, here. Oh, and it's blue. Yeah, it matches.
I don't know. I think he likes it.
Yeah.
Well, we learned our counting and our letters today. This is actually a really cool playset, and Elmo did such a good job. High five.
I know,
Finger.
yeah.
So if you like Elmo and you want more, please give us a like. Subscribe to the Disney Card Space channel. In the comments, let us know if you know all your letters and numbers. You should if you can comment.
I know, right? If you can comment, you should know.
Yum num num. Today Cookie wants to eat some cookies. Let's see. Cookies. Oh, look here. C is for cookie. Me want that one. Okay, give me cookie, please. Feed cooker. Nom nom. Hey, this no cookie. This letter C. That not cookie. Okay, now cookie. No, wait, no. This letter B, no cookie. Okay, this time cookie and oh no. This letter K, this not cookie. I want cookie. Cookie need cookie, not letter. Give me cookie right now. Give cookie. There's a cookie. And oh yes, chocolate chip cookie. This is cookie that I needed. Okay, cookie waiting for more cookies and no, that letter and no cookie. This one maybe no, letter J, another cookie and no, that letter O. Another cookie, please, and this might be good. And no, this letter F. Me one cookie. Cookie. Yum. Me like cookies. Cookie are so good. I eat all types of cookie, sugar and chocolate chip, and other types of cookie. Just give me one more cookie. Another cookie. Nom. Oh, another cookie. No. Give me cookie and nom. Oh, love the cookies. Wait a minute. Cookie's tummy hurts. Oh, too many cookies. Oh, let me just lay here and well, let Cookie know if you want me to eat more cookies, and let me know what kind of cookies to eat.